Hi guys! So this is me, Lyssa. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Lyssa Amor and Facebook at Get Poised by Lyssa Amor. So today I'm going to show to you this box that I just got 2 days ago. So excited to share to you what's inside the box, but I actually already opened it. Sorry, I couldn't wait. When I received the products, I immediately used it because I'm just so excited. Okay, so what's inside the box are, of course, the products that I got from Benefit, which I'm going to show to you later, and a letter from them. So hey gorgeous, welcome to the Benefit Philippines Club Pink. So what's Club Pink? It is an exclusive membership program to keep you, our digital darling bloggers and vloggers, up to date with the latest Benefit news. So it's really my pleasure to be part of this Benefit Club Pink, and I'm going to show to you how to use the product. Okay, I'll do the unboxing first, but again, I already unboxed it. I just put it back inside the box. So what we have here is, first, it's the Precisely My Brow Pencil. Let's open it. Like that. So here, naadiri ang brow pencil, and it's retractable. And on the other side is a spoolie. Next is, we have here the Gimme Brow Plus Brow Volume Fiber Gel. This is the mini version. And I got the last two products here. Also the mini versions of the Dandelion and Gold Rush. Yeah. Here, what I love is also it comes with a mirror and a brush. So this is the Dandelion Twinkle. It is a highlighter. Okay. And look at the color. Love it. And this one is the Gold Rush. Oops. It's a blush. So the first product that I'm going to use and show to you is this Mini Gold Rush blush on. So it's a pinkish blush with gold dust. So I think what's nice about it is that when you swipe it, it's a blush on with, there's like a golden highlight. Here it is. And I want to swipe here, son. Para murag. Mistisa. Pink ang ilong. Okay. Next, I will show to you the Dandelion highlighter. So I love to dust on powder highlighters on my nose, the bridge of my nose, the forehead, the chin, and sa apple, sa akong cheeks. Or I can make a C here. So that's for the blush and for the highlight. And now I'll show to you how I do my brows. First is, it's really nice if you have a shaped brows already. Like, actually Benefit offers brow waxing, so you can go to like any Benefit boutique and ask if they offer the brow waxing. I've tried. In SM Seaside, Cebu, they have the brow waxing there. So nagpa-thread ko sa nose strip waxing salon. They provide threading and it's also very affordable. Okay, but sometimes I just shave also. So I'll just zoom it. So I like to brush my hair first para matangtang ang mga dust before I apply. I'm gonna use this to fill in my brows. I'll start here. It's so easy to use, and we're siyang gel nga dali na jud kayo siya moagi. And then just, you know, blend. So you have to blend it well, make it fade here, and just continue filling in this pars area. And on the other side, I will do the same. Now that I'm done filling in my brows, I'm now going to shade it with the Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Fiber Gel. Actually, if I'm in a hurry, I just use this and I'm good to go. I'll do the same on the other side. Just follow your natural shape. So that's my brows. So that's it, everyone. To be honest, before I do my brows like for 1 hour. Pero current, I can actually do it like in less than like 3 minutes. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, eyebrow tutorial. And thank you, Benefit, for making me one of the pioneer vloggers and vloggers for your Pink Club member. So see you guys next time. Bye.